everyone, welcome to Succeed Learning app. In today's session, let's learn about Indian soils. In our surroundings, we have seen soil. Have you ever wondered why is it of different color in different places? Before getting to the point, let's see what soil is. Soil is a thin surface layer of earth comprising of closely intermixed mineral and organic substances. And it is very important natural resources of India because agriculture is a main occupation. Agricultural production is basically dependent on the fertility of the soil. Soil formation of India is mainly related to the parent rock, relief, climate and natural vegetation. So, there is a wide variety of soils in India. Let's concentrate on major 6 types: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil and mountain soil. Now, let's see what alluvial soil is. Alluvial soil. The soil that are composed of alluvium are called alluvial soil. They are formed from the sediments deposited by the rivers as in the Indo-Gangetic plain and by the sea waves in coastal plain. Alluvial soil, the very extensive and very important in India. They cover an about area of 15 lakh kilometers square. The main crops grown on this type of soils are wheat, paddy, sugarcane, cotton, jute, potato and vegetables. In India, alluvial soils are largely found in the plains of rivers that is Satluj Ganga, Brahmaputra, Narmada, Tape, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Next, let's move on to black soils. This soil is also known as rigor and black cotton soil as they are best suited for the cotton cultivation. They are derived from the basalt rock, so they are dark grey to black in color with high clay content. They are highly retentive of moisture and extremely compact. They are best suited for the cultivation of cotton, sugarcane, jowar, maize, pulses, wheat and chilies. Black soils are largely found in the Deccan Basalt Trap region, including Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, parts of Telangana, northern part of Karnataka, parts of Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. They occupy about 5.46 lakh kilometers square in India. Red soils. They are formed from the weathering of granite and other crystalline rocks. The color of these soils is generally red or reddish brown. They are more sandy and less clay, so they do not retain moisture. They cover a vast area of about 5.2 lakh kilometers square. These soils spread extensively in Tamil Nadu. They are also found in southern Karnataka, parts of Kerala, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Goa, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, West Bengal, etc. Red soils are ideal for the cultivation of ragi, millets, groundnuts, tobacco and potato. Next, let's see what laterite soils are. These soils are formed in the tropical area under the conditions of high temperature and rainfall. These soils cover an area of 2.48 lakh kilometers square. They are mainly found in the uplands of Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, the Chotnagpur Plateau, Vindhyas and Satpuras, the Rajmahal Hills, Meghalaya Plateau. They are lead soils, not fertile and are of limited use of agriculture. Crops like cashew, rubber, tea, coffee and paddy can be grown in these soils. Desert soils. These soils are formed under desert and semi-desert conditions. They are largely found in the northwestern part of India. It is a major part of Rajasthan, southern Haryana, Punjab and northern part of Gujarat. They are fairly friable, have a high content of soluble salt. They are sandy and low in moisture and humus. These are not suitable for the cultivation of many crops. Some crops can be grown where irrigation facilities are available. They occupy about 1.42 lakh kilometers square. Mountain soils. These soils are mainly found on the slopes of mountains and hills covered by forest. They are mostly formed due to decomposition of organic matter. Hence, they are rich in humus and are fertile. They are useful for plantation crops. Example, tea, coffee and fruits. They are largely found in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Manipur states and along with the Western Ghats. These soils cover an area of 2.85 lakh kilometers square. We have seen how important the soil is. Now let's see what soil erosion is. Oh, as you see, the top layer of soil is removed by wind. By now, you must have understood what soil erosion is. Yes, soil erosion refers to the removal of topsoil by natural agents. The rivers, glaciers, winds, sea waves, etc. remove the top layer of fertile soil and deflate the fertility of the soil. Soil erosion is one of the important problems in India, and the causes are deforestation, overgrazing, shifting cultivation, faulty method of cultivation, use of topsoil of making bricks, tiles, etc. What are the effects of soil erosion? Loss of soil fertility and fall in agricultural productivity. It leads to settling and floods, change of the course of rivers, and reduction of capacity of the reservoirs. Groundwater level is lowered and there is a decrease in the soil moisture. Vegetation covers dries up and drought increases. Economy as a whole suffers a great setback. Protection of soil from erosion and preservation of fertility of the soil is called soil conservation. We have learned how important the soil is, but how do we protect them? Yes, by following these simple terms we can protect them. Afforestation and reforestation, controlled overgrazing, contour farming, construction of check dams, contour bunding, gully control and bench terracing. Let's quickly summarize the topic with this table. Soil name, alluvial soil, and how is it formed? It is formed by the sediments deposited by the rivers. And the areas are 50 lakh kilometers square. The crops grown are wheat, paddy, sugarcane, cotton, jute. The areas which they are found are the plains of rivers Satluj Ganga, Brahmaputra, Narmada, Tape, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Black soil. It is formed from the basalt rock and it is 5.46 lakh kilometers square. The crops grown are cotton, sugarcane, jowar, maize, pulse, wheat and chilies. The places are Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, parts of Telangana, northern part of Karnataka, parts of Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. Red soils. They are formed from the withering of granite and other crystalline rocks. They are 5.2 lakh kilometers square. Ragi, millets, groundnuts, tobacco and potatoes are crops grown. The places are southern Karnataka, parts of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Kerala, Goa, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland and West Bengal. Laginate soils. They are formed from the tropical areas under the condition of high temperature and rainfall. They are 2.48 lakh kilometers square. The crops grown are cashew nut, rubber, tea, coffee and paddy. The places are Chota Nagpur Plateau, Meghalaya Plateau, the Rajmahal Hills, Vidyas and Satpuras. Desert soil. Desert soils are formed from the deserts and semi-desert conditions. They are 1.42 lakh kilometers square. These are not suitable for the cultivation of any crops. A major part of Rajasthan, southern Haryana, Punjab and the northern part of Gujarat has these type of soils. Our last type of soil is mountain soils. Due to the decomposition of organic matter, these are formed and it is 2.85 lakh kilometers square and the crops grown are tea, coffee and fruits. The places are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Manipur states and along the Western Ghats. By this we come to the end of the chapter. For more information, log into Succeed Learning app.